Wolmer's Boys is represented by TJ Williams, Tennyson Richards, Javon Patterson, and Tyler Davis. Camperdown High is represented by Mark Littlejohn, Shanghai Medley, Nathaniel Allen, and Travon Brown. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the third and deciding match in this quarterfinal series. Wolmer's Boys won the opening match to take a 1-0 lead, but Camperdown High responded and won the second match. Tonight, it's win or go home for either team, with the victor taking a place in the semi-finals. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. The quarterfinalists have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move into the semi-final round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss, and Camperdown High won. They decided to go first, so we begin with Camperdown High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Camperdown, we begin with French. Translate into English. Je voudrais un verre d'eau.
I want a glass of water.
I want a glass of water.
Would we accept? Yes? French for Wolmer's Boys. Translate to English. Il pleut depuis 3 jours.
He was ready to rain.
No, it has been raining for 3 days. International affairs for Camperdown. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Catherine Connolly.
Catherine Connolly.
Catherine Connolly.
Correct. International affairs for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Assimi Goita.
Correct. General knowledge, Camperdown. Nyctophobia is the fear of what?
Darkness.
Darkness.
Correct. Wolmer's general knowledge. Aviophobia is the fear of what?
Birds.
No, flying. And geography. Quito, the capital of Ecuador, sits high in the foothills of which mountain range?
Chimborazo.
Incorrect. The Andes. Geography. Wolmer's Boys, which capital city is bisected by the Vltava River?
Vltava, capital city. Bogota.
Incorrect. Prague. Music. Camperdown. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
A lot of sunshine into my life. You fill me with happiness. I never knew.
Aretha Franklin.
Incorrect. Natalie Cole. Music. Wolmer's Boys. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
Fires uncrossed, the tables were turned. Never knew I had such a lesson to learn.
Tina Turner.
Incorrect. Miss Patti LaBelle. Information technology for Camperdown. How many usable host addresses exist in a /27 network?
10.
Incorrect. 30. Information technology for Wolmer's Boys. Which network device operates at layer 3 of the OSI model?
Motherboard.
Incorrect. Router. And theatre and cinema for Camperdown. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Eddie Redmayne.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Michael Fassbender.
That's correct. Camperdown history. Which famous ancient structure in Rome was used for gladiatorial combat?
Coliseum.
Correct. History for Wolmer's Boys. What is the name of the colossal statue at Giza, which is carved out of limestone with facial features of a man and the body of a lion?
The Sphinx.
Correct. Sports. Camperdown. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Jesse. Frank Worrell.
Frank Worrell.
Incorrect. Colin Croft. Sports Wolmers, look at the monitor, identify this person.
Michael Holding.
Incorrect. Lawrence Rowe. Physics for Camperdown. What happens to an atomic number during beta decay?
Beta decay.
So it loses an electron.
So you lose one electron, so the atomic number decreases by 1. The atomic number decreases by 1.
The atomic number decreases by 1.
No, it increases by 1. And physics for Wolmers. What type of current is used in household mains?
AC current.
Yes. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Wolmer's Boys on 4, Camperdown High on 5. When we come back, it will be time for the speed challenge. Quarter-final action in Schools Challenge Quiz 57 returns after these messages.